number 11 in the Summer Song Cycle series of 2020. So this one is for anyone who knew me when I was a little girl or is a musician and remembers themselves as a child. I was a little girl, couldn't been more than 3, out with my family and mad I couldn't see. I said to Mama, I want to see the band. She said, go up there, go on, go ahead, you can. Song after song again, I did not return. She began to wonder, my God, what's happened to her? She came and found me, said, you've got to be joking. I was on the lap of a stranger, singing, will the circle be unbroken? I thought I knew that the life for me, making music would be my destiny. I am so lucky as can be, for all the people that have supported me. The Sitter's house was my favorite place to be. It didn't take much to entertain me. There was a big fan that sat upon the floor. They turned that fan on, I needed nothing more. I love the way it sounded when I sang, but was the best music to me. There is no way that I would ever know. My first memory was singing country roads. I thought I knew that the life for me, making music would be my destiny. I am so lucky as can be, for all the people that have supported me. In 2nd grade I was given a prize. My teacher named me Miss Sunshine. She said that when she was busy teaching, I was busy with my dancing and singing. Right then I knew that the life for me, making music would be my destiny. I am so lucky as can be, for all the people that have supported me. And I thank you.